Strange Sounds by Jeff Oliver from his book Strange Sounds, read by Rebel Jones. Where we go, I do not know. What will happen when we're grown? Will we ever be the same? Is there time to make a change? What's beyond the mist of the rain? What's beyond the madness of insane? Strange sounds in my head, my dreams are never gone and dead. Hope lies around every single turn. I learned to listen to strange sounds in my head. I have blended in so wrong. To the sounds of madness, rage, I've pretended way too long to love the vision in the glass. I've surrounded to my future, forgotten all my past. At last I've shattered the path to hell, closure from my demon's wrath. Strange sounds in my head, my dreams are never gone and dead. Hope lies around every single turn. I learned to listen to the strange sounds in my head. The vision looking back at me is not who I used to be. I will never go back there again. I will never be aware again. I will always take in what I have in the past is shattered with the vision in the glass. There is no more to change. My soul is now restrained. Good morning. Thank you for waking up today. Rebel Jones out. Peace.